Christoff Ferry Landing is a beautiful spot on the Chipola River, and you may not know it, but the story of this place goes back over 200 years to the very earliest days of Jackson County, Florida, and that's the story we're going to tell you today on 2 Egg TV. Louis Christoff established Christoff's Ferry across the Chipola River in around 1823. The nearby city of Marianna was still wilderness then, but U.S. settlers were making their way into Jackson County and putting down roots at locations including Greenwood, Campbellton, Neal's Landing, and a fledgling little town west of the Chipola, soon to be called Webbville. Christoff and Webbville promoter L.M. Stone went together in 1823 to claim the site that we know today as Christoff Ferry Landing. Although they did not file their claim until 1827, their goal was obvious. The historic Old Spanish Trail, used since at least the 1600s, ran east to west across Jackson County and crossed the Chipola River at the natural bridge in today's Florida Cavern State Park. This route was fine during dry weather, but flooded when the river was high. One Spanish traveler noted that the mud and water reached the girth of the horses as he crossed. Christoff established a ferry here, so travelers could detour around the often treacherous natural bridge. He also built a tavern and inn for food, refreshment, and rest. The main road was rerouted a short distance north to this new ferry, and travelers found it much easier to get across the river here. People used Christoff for many years, but its importance diminished after Marianna emerged as a community in 1829. Today it's the home of a boat landing, picnic area, and a campground. To learn more about other great, historic, and beautiful places on the Chipola River, visit our website at 2eggtv.com. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel at youtube.com/2eggtv. I'm Dale Cox for 2 Egg TV.